Okay, people, we're going to have to address a similar issue that we thought we pretty much had handled, but apparently a situation is cropping up again, and I'm want to do this nipping in the bud before it blossoms to a point where it'd be harder to handle. Uh, Apparently, last night some of you had tried to download a PDF file for the full legalization of marijuana. That's supposed to be the SQ 773, the one that Connie Johnson had filed, but it has nothing to do with us. And some of you indicated when you went to Senator Johnson's um, campaign Facebook page, there was a link that was provided that the link is still there, but it's not working. Apparently, someone, I guess she had taken the link down. And like I said, we don't have anything, OKCAP has nothing to do with that. But we were aware sometime last night that someone by the name of KC Sweets or something like that had a website that had the file for downloading. But, I didn't really pay much mind to it, to address it, because no one had contacted us at that time until later that night. And then some individuals had approached the main OKCAP site wanting to know if OKCAP was going to start providing the download file for this full legalization, and the answer is no, because we already had too many problems with the wait, hurry up and wait, and it didn't show up, and then we put ourselves out there waiting on Senator Johnson to come up with it, and it didn't happen, and people were mad at us, and it's something that we didn't even file. So we're not going to go through that again. Now, when I had indicated to some people that what we're having a problem with is that as some feel that OKCAP should host the downloading of this file. Now remember, we're not the proponent. Senator Johnson is. Well, we feel that why should we do it when she won't even allow it on her own page? She has a website as well. She has a server as well. She has the Facebook. She had it on. She had a link to her Facebook, and she had took that down. Then, if she won't even host her crown jewel, which is the full legalization, then why would someone think that we should take the responsibility for it? Because she has to stand by her own filing, and legally speaking, the proponent has to say so over what they file of the initiative petition. But to make matters worse, when some had approached the main OKCAP to host the page, or to at least allow it to be downloaded so people would know where it was. Well, when I looked at the file that was that would be ready for downloading, she took her name off as the proponent of it, and I said, wait a minute, people, where's the name of the proponent? It is required by law. That's in the general provision of Chapter 2 of the Title 34, and I thought every proponent knew that. But anyways, some but thinking that maybe OKCAP can put this name on it. We can't do that, and I don't think some people understand. That these initiative petitions are legal documents. Like Oklahoma for Health. The medical petition. Their name is listed as a proponent, and they got the address on the petition. Well, some are thinking, contacting me, that they're thinking that that their name was just put down there because they were an organization who sponsored the medical. No, that's not the case. They are the proponent who filed it, and by law, there's a proponent. Whoever files it is the proponent. OKCAP is not the proponent. Senator Johnson is, and you just can't just get a petition and then no name and addresses on it, and anybody just put their name on it. I mean, no. I mean, that's asking for trouble. And I hope some of you understand that. But if she's not willing to, to back her own by putting it on her own site, and people thinking that we have to do it, I want to just set the record straight on that, because I don't want a bunch of people, floodgate to come on us again behind this full legalization. I think that you need to go to the proponent and to address your concerns with the proponent who filed the full legalization. OKCAP at the present is more focused on the medical marijuana with the Oklahomans for Health, because we already had wasted 30 days for waiting on the full legalization that could have hurt the medical, and we don't want that. I mean, it's bad enough as it is, where they had to, the struggle out there to get the signatures, and so that's where we stand now, and OKCAP is down for the full, big time, but there's a you got to be sane with it. None of this insanity of just wait and wasting time, and is it there, is it not there? But at least with Chip Paul, he wants to get that thing there passed, and to be on the ballot, in November. Not no if, can, maybe, and it ain't gonna happen with the full legalization as far as the balloting is concerned for November. It ain't gonna make it on the ballot. It's just too late. I mean, it is what it is, and it deals with the reality of it. Because OKCAP don't want to spend too much time wasting time. And I appreciate y'all's concerns, about it though. But I have to just be straight up with you, and for you to, to direct your concerns to the source. OKCAP is not the source of it, and so take it to Constance Johnson and ask her, why you can't download the file. We don't have any control over their websites. She don't run OKCAP, and we don't run her campaign. So I mean, that's the way it is. And if y'all got any other concerns, just let me know. But I just thought I'd just set the record straight on that before it gets out of hand with the inquiries of people thinking that we got the petition, and we don't have it. We don't have it. And I saw too many issues with the initiative from what I saw that was on that site. But it's not up to OKCAP to tell you what we saw that be problematic with that petition, because it's not our job, not our function. We don't take support it. It's on the proponent. So, let's say if you got anything else that you want to bring up to us, just let us know. And I hope I had answered that question some of you have about that full legalization as to what is OKCAP going to do about it. Well, ask the proponent. Thanks.